Hello tech lovers, today's video is on LS-XT6 drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drone. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comments section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. When we need drones, we search for them depending on our needs, features, and budget. Depending on them, sometimes we buy normal big drones, and sometimes mini drones. There are many reasons behind buying a mini drone. And if you're searching for a mini drone, then this video is for you. In this video, we have discussed a specific drone, its features, and qualities. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. The design of this mini drone is great. It can be folded into 5 by 8 by 4 centimeters from 15 by 18 by 4 centimeters. The folding design is undoubtedly great. The design is convenient enough too. The remote control is also great, and the attached mobile holder is fine too. Camera features are one of the main attractions of drones. If any drone is good in other features but has bad camera quality, it becomes less favorite automatically. It has 4K high-definition dual camera. The front camera is 4K1, and it has 90-degree angle adjustment. Enjoy dual camera switch. Get rid of fixed angle of view. The modular battery this drone is provided with is amazingly designed. It is easy to install, and it is drawer type. This 3.7 volts 500 mAh battery can provide about 12 minutes of battery life, but its modular drawer design makes it user-friendly. Now it is time to discuss various functions of LS-XT6. It has 2.4 GHz anti-jamming technology. With this technology, the drone supports multiple devices to play simultaneously without interfering with each other. The remote control radius is 100 meters from the aircraft. The left and right sides are 200 meters in diameter. It has a folding design that is small and compact. The folding design makes it lighter to carry. This amazingly designed drone can be folded in 3 seconds. Compared to the past, carrying heavy drones are more worry-free. As we mentioned earlier, the drone can be folded into 5 by 8 by 4 centimeters. It can be cleverly folded one-handed. Hovering is an important feature of a drone. It is necessary to keep the drone stable. Sometimes an amazing scene requires stable flight and shooting. Air pressure hover do that job. In air pressure hover, the drone does positioning hovering by calculating the flight pressure. The drone can effectively keep the aircraft stable in flight. It can also provide an anti-shake effect to prevent blurry aerial photography. Image transmission can be considered one of the main features for most of adventure lovers. Without image transmission, flying drone is meaningless to them, because they won't be able to see how is their flying performance and what is the view from up there. This drone has Wi-Fi mobile image transmission, so it can connect to applications, a PK system. It can also take pictures from mobile signals. And of course, the main part of this Wi-Fi mobile image transmission is that this drone can do real-time transmission, view from up there. This drone has Wi-Fi mobile image transmission, so it can connect to applications, a PK system. It can also take pictures from mobile signals. And of course, the main part of this Wi-Fi mobile image transmission is that this drone can do real-time transmission. Phone control is without a doubt contemporary feature. It gives extra freedom to the flyers. You can download the officially designed app, connect with your phone, and the drone's Wi-Fi can be connected via mobile phone, allowing the drone to perform multi-function control. Tracking finger is a very useful feature in a drone. It's a flyer-friendly feature and makes the flying process easy and comfortable. You can draw a flight path on the screen, and this drone will follow the specified path and perform autonomous flight. 360-degree trick rolls are fun to have. It is eye-soothing to watch directly, and the clips they provide is also great. This drone is also capable of performing a 360-degree trick roll. It can perform 360-degree aerial stunts with one click. Turning and scrolling, no need for tedious manipulation. Experience more fun flying stunts. One key takeoff and landing makes the taking off and landing process easier than ever. Takeoff and landing or return can be easily achieved with one button via the remote. It has some variety of intelligent operations. When you lose your way, you can recall it by one key return. After clicking the MV button in the upper left corner of the screen on the page, you can enter the MV interface and can add back to the recorded video with music and special effects, cropping, etc. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this device. The pros are compact and portable small design, no crossing between multiple drones, phone control, and the cons are the battery capacity could be better, the camera quality could be better. After knowing all the features from this video, we think you should investigate this device more. Check out its price. It is definitely a budget drone with lots of great features and qualities. I think with all these features it deserves a shot, so don't worry. Do hurry and give it a shot. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.